Welcome back to lesson chemical equation lesson. We have seen the magnesium burning with oxygen and gives magnesium oxide, and you have to apply the law of conservation energy. The total mass of the element present in the products of a chemical reaction is to be equal to the total mass of the element present in the reaction. In other words, the number of atoms of each element remains the same before and after chemical reaction. So we have written Mg plus O2 gives MgO2. Mg plus O2 gives MgO2. So this equation is not balanced. So there are two, this is called a skeleton equation. In order to balance it, what you need to do is the number of elements on the both sides should be equal. So form a table such a way that how many elements are present on the left hand side and right hand side. So you draw a line here to make a two column. Okay. So first one we have a magnesium, and here is oxygen, and okay, this is on the right hand side it is only one, and the left hand side also it's one. Oxygen on left hand side 2, and right hand side is 1. So what to do now? To make it in the next paragraph we have to make equal so you can write here magnesium and oxygen. So oxygen to make 2, oxygen is to make 2, so next here it is 2 and O and 2. Now it is a 1 Mg over 1. So magnesium oxide when it is formed right hand side it should be 2. So in the left hand side it will be 1 here and 1, so it has to be in right hand side is 2 now. So make it 2 here and also 2 here. So the final equation we can write it as 2mg plus O2 will give you 2mgo. Students, another way of understanding this equation, balance equation is I can give very simple one way of understanding. Look, you have written before Mg plus you have to see that always oxygen, the standard, the existence of oxygen in the ordinary state, it is a always diatomic O2. So you have to write O2. Then it will be written MgO. Now let us find which is the least occurring element on the both sides. Least occurring element on both sides. Least occurring elements on both sides. So when you look at that, least occurring is Mg. Mg are equal. Now you can see your oxygen, least occurring is Mg, magnesium. It's balanced, it's on both sides are equal. And now look at the oxygen. Oxygen is 2 here, 2 here. How to make this oxygen 2? You can't write here 2. If you write 2 here, it becomes some other element, compound. So make it here. So this 2 is applicable to Mg also. So make it as 2 Mg. Now it is balanced. So this way you can